Meeting point, a guide to understanding and using this essential phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, meeting point. This is a common term you'll encounter in various situations, especially when arranging to meet someone or navigating new places. Let's dive into what it means and how to use it effectively. Meeting point refers to a specific location where people agree to meet. It's a predetermined spot that is known and accessible to all parties involved. This term is commonly used in public places like airports, stations, malls, or at large events. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication and coordination, especially in unfamiliar environments. Here are some examples of where you might find or use a meeting point. 1. Airports and train stations. These places often have designated meeting points for people to reunite or connect. 2. Shopping malls. In large malls, specific spots like a central fountain or a popular store can serve as a meeting point. 3. Events and conferences. At crowded events, having a meeting point is essential for groups to regroup or find each other. Now, let's see how to incorporate meeting point into our conversations. 1. Arranging meetings. Let's meet at the coffee shop inside the mall. That will be our meeting point. 2. Giving directions. The meeting point for the tour group is next to the main entrance. 3. Seeking help. Excuse me, could you direct me to the meeting point for the shuttle service? In different cultures, meeting points can have various levels of significance. For instance, in some places, a meeting point might be a historic landmark or a popular local spot. It's not just about a location, but it can also be about experiencing a part of the local culture and community. That's it for our look at the phrase, meeting point. It's a simple yet powerful term that facilitates coordination and connection in our everyday lives. We hope this video helps you navigate new places and arrange meetups with ease. Happy learning, and see you at our next meeting point, our upcoming videos.